I'm Jim Cunningham, owner of Trusted Plumbing and Heating, and we're answering some questions today. We've been getting a few inquiries about what is a shower pan. A shower pan is the bottom of the shower where the drain is, and that's a separate piece typically from the shower. Most showers are 3-piece or 4-piece or 5-piece, or they're tile walls and a base. Sometimes that base will leak around the drain. Sometimes they'll get cracks in it. There's questions, can we replace the base without replacing the walls? And typically no, you have to tear out the whole shower to replace that pan. So if you see water dripping underneath your shower through a ceiling or something, sometimes it can be the drain, sometimes it can be a crack in the shower pan. There are some companies that specialize in fixing cracks in the shower bases, but typically they don't hold up for a long time, so you're better off normally replacing the shower pan. So if you're having a leak in your shower pan, or you're seeing water in places where you shouldn't, give Trusted Plumbing and Heating a call today and we'll come out and have a look at it for you.